The next tutorials, I'm going to be explaining how I created this look, so if you want to see, just keep tapping. I always like marking where the edges of my looks are going to be. So for example, I'm going to start in with the inner corner and just mark it. And don't worry about any sort of liner getting inside, because all of that is going to be filled with shadow. We just want to make sure the outside is clean, which I already messed up, but that's easily fixable. So I'm just doing a light layer, and I'm gonna do it one around here as well, just line it. I think I'm gonna I have no idea what shape I'm going for, but I'm just like quickly going to mark this a little bit more, have it be more intense before going in with a black shadow. I think I'm gonna go in with like a black silver look for New Year's, since it's coming up for you guys. I'm gonna take this a little bit. So you basically want the liner right here to merge with the liner on your bottom with any palette that has a black and some brown and like nude shades. And I'm just gonna go straight in with the black, and I'm gonna fill in the inner part of the eye. I'm just want to make sure that I don't go past it. Obviously we're gonna clean it up just so it's extra sharp, but we do want to try and be as clean as we can. Just take your time placing the shadows like this. I don't want to take it too far out because I want this to be like a silvery. Like I already have an idea that this right here is going to be like a grayish silver. So I'm going to leave the black here and go in and do the same on this side. My phone didn't record on this one, but it's a good thing because I can just do it here. You're gonna go in with like a brown, and you're just gonna go slightly above it and softly tap with a small brush. This is not a liner brush, but it's like very, very small detail brush. And I don't want to take it too far out because I don't want it to seem too brown, but I do want to blend the black with it. Brown that is slightly darker than your skin tone, you're gonna tap over all of it. Doesn't matter if it takes over the brown shade we put below, we can just go back and intensify it after, but we want to just tap it all over and have it like just blend into your skin and like disappear is kind of what we're gonna go for. So now that we have tapped the light brown, I'm gonna go back in with my previous brush and re-intensify that brown. We don't want to take that brown too high. Like this. Now this is going to look much cleaner once we go in with micellar water and clean. I'm going to grab a clean M213 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to start working on the lid again. I'm going to apply the same shades I did right here and go in with a brown, a dark brown, and just gonna take my time. I don't want the brown right here to meet with the brown right here, so I'm going to just keep it very close to the black and just barely transition over. Now I've wiped on the same brush on a clean towel, and I went in with the super light brown, and I'm just tapping it over them. Take your time going back and forth with the same shadows, just to have the clean blend and intensity that you like. It's not like a one and done color thing. So here, you know how it became a little bit ashy right here? We're gonna grab in that dark brown again and softly just tap it above and bring back its own intensity. Very little micellar water and sharpen the crease right here. I like how clean this crease looks right here. I'm gonna go back in with my liner palette, and before going in with any shimmer or anything, I kind of want to go in for the liner right here. I'm gonna line the eyes like I usually do. Since I already have like the base from the beginning, it's just gonna be easy. It's just connecting them. We have all our matte shadows and base ready. I'm gonna go in with this palette and go in with this silver right here. It's like a rusty silver. I might just go in with my hands, like finger. It's pretty. Let's see. Oh goodness, this is pretty pigmented. I'm just gonna tap it. I'm not worried about blending. I just want to get the color in here. This palette is from JK Beauty. It's the Grape Crunch, by the way. I went in with this other silver. It's like a purple silver. And I'm going to put it more on the inner corner too. Just to have these two silvers blend together. I think it gives like a nice from cool to warm effect. I'm going to put it over here as well. I can't really do a look and not include some glitter in it. I'm going to go in with this glitter right here. It's the silvery. I've used that a couple times already. I really love it. It's very easy to apply. So I'm going to take a little bit on my brush. And I'm just going to apply them towards the outside. Just have them like flare out. Into where I have like no color. Like this. I'll take my time and just back them up. Here we have the glitters applied. I think it gives it a little bit of a nice shift. Now I feel like this looks needs some rhinestones, so I'm gonna get that real quick. Okay, so I have applied, oops. Okay, so here are the rhinestones applied. They would have taken me 20 years to show you guys, so I just put them, and I bought this off of Amazon. But I am going to contour the nose, do a little bit of touch up on the eye, and I'll be back. To line the bottom lash line with black, and just so it blends better with the skin, I'm gonna go play a little bit of brown. And now the look comes together with the lashes. Oops. This look, I'm just quickly doing this motion because it's how I usually finish my videos. But yeah, what do you guys think?